Hey everyone, welcome to my humble little YouTube channel. My name is Sam Nesbitt and I'm a middle school band director. One of the most challenging things about having a jazz band program is teaching students to play drum set if they don't have any experience, because the world of concert percussion and drum set are so very different, as we all know. The most difficult thing at the beginning of the year is to give drummers something that they can play right away in class that gives them a foundation and sounds good right from the beginning. This is something I've struggled with and worked on a lot in my teaching career, and while I'm a woodwind player by trade, I've spent a lot of time learning to play drums as a hobbyist and to become a better teacher so I can actually show my students what I want them to play. For band directors who aren't drummers, it can be difficult to start students in jazz band if they don't have any drum set experience, because they can't actually show the students what they want them to play. I made these videos for my students to practice along with, but I also encourage band directors to play along, because you will be better if you can actually show the students what you want them to play, and you can communicate more effectively with them if you can actually do it. As I said, I'm not a drummer or percussionist by training, but I am a band director who has found some success teaching drummers in jazz band, and these are some of the ideas that I start with my beginning jazz band students. These videos aren't meant to teach pedagogy or technique, but rather give students something to play and practice right away that is applicable to the music they will be playing in school jazz band programs, and to give them some patterns to play as a foundation. Everything is played with a metronome, and the videos are made for students to practice along with. Again, I'm not a drummer, and my playing isn't perfect, but hopefully students will play along, take what they've learned, move forward with the ideas, and start developing their own style.